Hello all, Tony here from CartonCloud. I just wanted to talk to you about a feature we've had come out in the latest release. What we actually had is the development team decided to get a product called Hotjar, where we can actually do a heat map sensoring on where customers are using their mouse or where they're clicking. Now, as you can see here on the screen, you can sort of see that there's heat-related dots around certain areas. But what we did notice is that there was a massive heat dot on the advanced options. And what we actually found is that the special instructions being hidden seemed like it was actually hindering you, our customer. So what we decided to do is have a look at the data over a period of a few weeks. And the developers turned around and made a decision and said that, brought it forward that we should probably have the ability to bring the special instructions out of the advanced fields and bring them into the standard fields. So that's exactly what we've done in the last week. So if I was to actually go into CartonCloud, I'll just sort of show you what I mean. So at the moment, if I go into Quick Add a Consignment, now to get into the special instructions, I have to hit the advanced option, and then I can go down and I can get into the special instructions right down the very bottom. But what we can actually do is if I go to the More button and go to Organization Settings, what I can actually do is go into the Transport tab, and here under the default consignment type settings, we always had the 4 fields in here, and the field was where you can set the consignment type for administrators, so whether it be delivery or a pickup or a point-to-point or whatever it may be. You can also set your field position for the consignment type. Then we've added in the special instructions field for administrators, and at the moment it's in advanced, but I'm going to change that to standard field. And I can also do the same and change settings around for the actual customer, for your users who are logging in as a customer and they're going in and entering in their own consignments. So we can go into there and we're going to put that in the standard fields for them as well. So then if we scroll down the bottom and hit save, and if I then go into a new consignment, I go Quick Add, New Consignment, and what you can actually see is that now the special instructions are 3/4 of the way down the page. So it saves the user from having to go into the advanced options, go down the bottom and fill out any details or whatever it may be. Now, it was just a little bit of initiative from the developers and just a bit of forward thinking, and I think that is really going to help people with data entry. Anyway, cheers.